Want your old SMS and call history back in under a minute? Here's the quickest way to restore them from Google Drive. First, make sure you're signed in with the same Google account you used for the backup. Open Settings, tap Google, then tap Backup. Here, confirm that SMS messages and call history are included in your Google Drive backup. If you don't see them, your phone may not support restoring SMS or call history from this backup. If everything looks good, you're ready to restore. Here's the quick method. Because SMS and call history restore happens during setup, you'll need to reset or set up a phone that's not configured yet. On the welcome screen, connect to Wi-Fi, then sign in with the same Google account as your backup. When you're asked to restore, choose your backup, then make sure SMS messages and call history are checked. Tap Restore, then wait while your SMS and call history are copied back to your phone. Once setup finishes, open your messages and phone apps to confirm your old texts and call log are back. That's it. In a few quick taps during setup, you've restored your SMS and call history from Google Drive.